Now let's take a look at the Raspberry Pi. A Raspberry Pi is a very small computer, and it's a relatively inexpensive device. We can program it to have a small alpha display, and at the same time we can connect an antenna to it, and we detect signals that are going through the space nearby. We can see one of these signals. It's shown by a very large peak right near the middle of the display. The bottom of the remainder of the display shows background noise. These are actually radio frequency emissions, probably not radio signals that are transmitted with intelligence. This could be something like tectonic plates in the earth rubbing against each other, because as they do, they create radio frequency emissions. There's a lot of background noise that isn't actually transmitted by humans. But the signal that's right in the center, that is actually an intelligent signal. But what happens if we actually interfere with that signal? There are devices called hash generators or jammers, and we could turn a jammer on and watch what happens. Notice that now what looks like background noise is actually hash generated by this small device. That hash begins to swamp out the original signal in the middle of the display. We lose the signal in the noise. Externalities refer to the uncompensated impact of one person's actions on the well-being of a bystander. Transmitting a signal by using a hash generator or jammer is illegal in the United States. That creates a negative externality. Someone else's signal may be swamped out. A negative externality is going to cause someone's electromagnetic signal not to get through. This demonstration shows how electromagnetic signals that are subject to externalities could cause the wireless arena to be very inefficient, because messages would not be allowed to get where we would like them to go. If you'd like to build your own signal generator using a Raspberry Pi, you'll find directions for doing so in the resources area. It's a rewarding experience and will let you observe a bit of the wireless frequency spectrum that surrounds you every day.